forget how much they've pushed Orlando Pirates so far back. It's a high press that I didn't think they'll be able to afford.
Its first match against newcomers last season was also a tough encounter. They only edged Mbekezeli by a single goal. It's not easy when you play against a side. It's difficult to, you don't really know them, and there's not that much on.
It's very true, but you know what? Teams like Orlando Pirates have always got
in the lead, by the way, against Sigulele. That's a 1-0 lead in the early stages. Galaxy, plenty of excitement.
And some teams already know exactly what their team should look like, because remember that beginning stage is very difficult. Certain competitions don't work right from the beginning, so you keep changing up into.
Played inside, and Mabele blocked. Orbit College will get a corner.
Not at all the type of resistance I expected. No, the approach, if I may say, because they seem like they're prepared to mix it.
Great surfaces all the time, and you've got to really be fit to compete. They're very physical as well, perhaps not as much classic talent and skills in that league, so it's all about
strength.
Yes, strength, lung-busting performances. Mabele plays it back here, chance! Blocked by Mbokazi in possession. Mbokazi powering his way.
Yeah, he operates on the left-hand side of the attack. Out and out left.
Oh, Ndaba stood on the ball. It's strong challenge at the back by Mbokazi. He's very much Mr. Super Sub, number 12, Mekele, number 12 in a metaphorical sense. Not tonight, trying to get Olympia Park in Rustenburg, which is their home ground, up to scratch in terms of the facilities for top-flight football. United, 3 wins from 3, both of them playing tomorrow evening. Coverage of Makaula hasn't had a game this season. He was voted the best midfielder of the last campaign. Mistake by Siema, could be punished here. Orbit looking for the equalizer, and Mbokazi rescues the situation. Well, he almost went from hero to villain. Siema gives the ball away. Excellent chance here.
But did rescue the situation because he put his body on the line.
Scoring, it's Pirates man. Clearance doesn't go very far, Maswanga.
That is actually moving. He wanted him regardless. I don't know if they already got the call there, but he was